Hey guys, you're not hanging with the Heaths, and today we at the beach. Hey look, you hot bro? You ain't listening to them?
This is, yes, I'm going to.
Oh.
This is my baby's first time at the beach. We're out here at Tybee Island. Wasn't a long ride, probably what, about an hour ride?
What you smiling so hard for, bro? You see that water out there? You see that water out there? We got the boys with us too. We got the boys with us. We had to put that tent up, cause hot out here. Jalen, you see Jalen got some sweat on his forehead already. Jalen, show them that sweat on your forehead, bro.
I got some on my forehead.
Oh, RJ got some sweat on his big toe. Look at RJ big toe. He got he got some sweat on his big toe, bro. Hey man, you gonna say hi to these folks, RJ? You don't know them? Oh, okay. But we out here today, man. We gonna be out here for a little minute, you know what I'm saying? See, he wanna get come get in the camera. He think he look good with the little shades on. He look alright. Kinda look like me.
No, I don't.
You don't?
Nope.
Man, that's messed up. That hurt my heart.
I like me.
Oh man. I guess we'll tune in next time. So I'm walking out to this water, man. This is first time in the sand. Kayla, big man. What you doing, bro? Oh man.
Uh-oh.
Oh man.
Come on, let's go to the water. Or you want to sit in the sand? Come on.
Oh man. Oh,
He's like, wait a minute,
man.
the sand's coming out from under my feet. You see it?
Kayla. Cigar.
Oh, he's trying to walk out there.
Oh man, buddy. You want to crawl to it? Oh man.
He wants to get out in it.
Thank you. What's up, man? You having a good time? Oh, you is good having a good time? You hear all the noises and the sounds?
So we out here. Kayla done got in the water. The boys is over there throwing football with somebody they done met on the beach. I don't know. But we out here in the sun. We having a good time. You having a good time, Kayla?
You too concerned about the waves coming in.
Yeah.
Every time one curve.
We're just gonna let him play in the sand a little bit. See how he likes that.
Oh, no. Get it, man. Get it, man. Get it, man. Oh, man. What is that? What is that, Caleb? What is that? Oh, man. Look at your hands. So you know the Heaths got to come back with a challenge, you know what I'm saying? So today, the challenge is me and my wife, Tiffany, gonna build a sand castle, and the boys gonna build a sand castle. Got a little couple of supplies. See, Jalen feet. We ain't gonna show his toe like that, man, cause his toe kind of, you know what I'm saying, messed up like that. You feel me? But we got everybody gonna get a shovel. You know what I'm saying? And we got another shovel. All this stuff comes from the dollar store. So that costs $1. This costs $1. And then everybody got their little handy sandcastle kit. And whoever build the best sandcastle, got to take the stuff in the house. Whoever win, they got to take the stuff in the house. Whoever lose, got to take the stuff. I mean, whoever lose, got to take the stuff in the house. Yeah. So y'all better get the building right. So the boys over here trying to put this thing together, they really giving up. I don't think they ever built the sandcastle. So Jalen right over here struggling. What you doing, Jay? RJ, what you got going on, my boy? What that is, RJ? What it is, RJ? See, y'all, I don't know. I guess he did in the trench for his fort, for his castle. It's a pretty good idea, son.
Why you cheating? Why you can't do it?
I was just recording the footage, bro. It's a good job so far. What you got? What your idea is, Jalen? Y'all gonna have the best sandcastle, bro? Oh, he ain't really got nothing to say, y'all. Jalen, what you got anything to say? Man. All right, man. Good game. May the best castle win.
Our team is gonna win. You see, he's starting it off, and Caleb is following along behind.
Okay. I need some more dirt, Caleb. I need some more dirt. I need some more dirt.
The boys are over there working on theirs. Don't know what they're doing yet, but we'll see in a minute. While we're trying to build a sandcastle, he's crawling out. In his own world. Where you going, Caleb? Caleb. He's trying to crawl to the edge of the water, but the water's done moved back some. So, me and Caleb couldn't help finish the sandcastle. We had to come up here and sit down because he got sand in his eye. And of course, it got a little rough. So I rinsed them all, brought him up here. But for those who don't know me, I have a tremendous fear of birds. I don't care if it's a cute little, whatever they call cockatoo, parrots, whatever they are. I have a fear of birds. And Caleb is just sitting here in amazement watching them walk around, but I am so low-key scared right now. I'm not even gonna lie, because they're walking around trying to find some food around us, and I'm terrified. I'm like really scared, I'm not gonna lie. But they're almost finished with the sandcastle, and we'll be able to show you to see who wins. We'll be back.
Alright, it's about the end of the day. We done did our sandcastles. They go RJ back, hard work. Look at him, he's sweating, y'all. He's sweating hard, y'all. He's sweating. That man was sweating. Yeah. There go Jalen coming back. Jalen up there coming back right there. Come on, let's go take a look. Let's go take a look at everything and see how everything turned out. You ready to go? You ready to go see? You ready to go see? I see you ready to go see, huh? That man wiping out his forehead, all that sweat. Put in hard work, bro. Good job, man. Jalen put in hard work too. He's sweating too. Them boys be down here putting in that work on these sandcastles, man. Jalen, you don't come down here, Jalen? He don't even wanna face the verdict. He don't even wanna face the verdict. You mad, bro?
Hey, y'all look too close.
Protecting this sandcastle. Protecting. Alright, so we're gonna go and check out what the boys did first. We're gonna go and check it out real quick. Kayla, what you think? What you thinking, bro? What you think? Alright, here we go, y'all. Everybody ready? Tune in live. Alright, people. This is what we got. This is what we got from the boys, y'all. This is what we got from the boys. Okay. You gonna tell us what's going on one time?
You coming in, you really can't come in, right? Because you're surrounded by water.
Okay.
And even if you do get past water, you gotta get past all the gators, you feel me? It's not
those are gators.
Oh, so he's saying don't gators right there. Don't gators right there.
Well, baby dinosaurs.
That about
Are
it?
these individual castles or are they all one castle? So you made multiple castles. Like a little town. You made a town, not a castle.
You got anything to say about your castle, Jalen? You got anything to say, sir?
Water right there. You ain't got mud now. You ain't got mud now.
Oh, that was supposed to be water.
It look like quicksand.
Hey, look, that's what it could be. You stepping and you done for R.I.P.
Alright, so people, I'm gonna give y'all a little 360 view of what that boy got going on. What the boy got going on. Get a little 360. Alright. Now, we finna head over to my house. You feel? You feel? What, huh? Haters. Now, people, before you feast your eyes on what you about to see.
Man, they did nothing but spell their last name.
Feast your eyes on what you about to see.
They didn't do nothing but spell
Bring
their
you into the castle of the Heath. So, like, look, like y'all know how when y'all walk in Disney World, or if y'all ever been to Georgia Southern, how they got the GSU out on the front lawn, you walk in, that's why we starting it off. So when you walk into the Heath Castle, you know, you can't be a Heath Castle without your name out front, you know what I'm saying? And then, you know what I'm saying? There go the castle right there. And then you got the back fence, you know what I'm saying? Because you want to keep privacy when you're doing grown folk stuff. You don't want people in the backyard bed to see what you're doing. That's the moat. That's the moat right there. The same thing y'all had around the castle.
How you got something around here? You don't know what it is.
So people, drop in the comment. Go ahead and drop in the comment section. Hold on, I gotta give y'all a 360 view of this. You know what I'm saying? 360 view. Watch out, Jake. 360 view. What we got going on? You feel? Alright, man. We appreciate y'all for hanging with us today.
Team Salsa Boys.
We appreciate y'all for hanging with us today.
Look, everybody, y'all seen the castle. We know who the winner is, but y'all comment down below and let us know, do you think
Team Salsa.
the Saucy Boys or the Heaths?
It sucks.
Which one?
It sucks.
Which one is better?
Y'all
What you
think
think,
about it.
Caleb?
Y'all think
What
about
you
it.
think, Caleb? Who? Dada?
RJ. Yeah, he said RJ.
Dada. Ah, yeah. So, Dada.
We done built it all around and did it all on the bricks, alligators and all, multiple houses. What they did? Done spent their last name and put one big old house.
All I'm
Again,
saying, you like to live in
again,
luxury, you know what I'm
Put
saying?
what you think at the bottom. Whether
Team
it's the
Saucy.
Heaths, Team Heath, or Team Saucy Boys. Let us know. Also, y'all make sure y'all go like, comment, and subscribe to our page.
Too fair, boy. Too fair.